Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. As in my previous video, we have seen that on the weekly long-term chart, the price action is moving in this rising wedge pattern and also formed this inverse cup and handle pattern. And price action was likely to start the formation of the handle of this cup. Let me just show you the previous article that I shared with you in my previous video. And this was the article, and here we can observe that the price action at that time, after completion of this round shape of the body of the cup, was likely to complete this formation of the handle of the cup. And now I'm just playing this chart, and so far the price action is moved up to this level, and now it is completing this handle of the cup. And I'm expecting that we have a very strong resistance here at 11.5 cents. For example, if the price action will start a powerful bullish move here, then it will be a big hurdle for the price line to break out. So this was the daily chart, and on the daily chart it has formed the cup and handle formation. And we will also take a look on this weekly chart where the price action is moving in this rising wedge pattern. Before that, I want to show you this daily chart where the price line is moving in this down channel, and at this time the price line is likely to break out this resistance. At this time you can see that the price action has closing above this resistance of the down channel, and this is the EMA 21, this red one, and this blue one is the EMA 10. If I remove the price line from here, then you can see that both moving averages, exponential moving averages, are likely to form a bull cross. Because this is a smaller time period moving average, the EMA 10, that is crossing up the EMA 21. Therefore, it can be taken as a bullish signal on the daily chart. Whenever the smaller time period moving average crosses up the bigger time period moving average, that is considered as a buying or bullish signal. And here, we can see that the smaller time period moving average is crossing up the bigger time period moving average, like we have already received this signal here. And when the EMA 10 crossed up the EMA 21, and after that we have observed a very powerful bullish move, and after that the price action started its movement in this down channel. So at this time the price line is at the resistance of this channel, and we also already have the closing above this resistance, and we are also having the support of these EMA 21 and 10. Now the price action is likely to retest the previous EMAs and the resistance of the channel as well. If I place the volume indicator here, then we can also watch another thing, and that is we don't have a sufficient volume. You can see that we had a very powerful volume here, we had a very powerful volume here, but at this time we are not having such powerful volume. However, the price action is still closed above this resistance of the channel. Therefore, if we will have the continuity of the buying volume, then the price action may start another bullish rally from here. Now I would like to take you to this chart where I have placed the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100 and 200 simple moving averages on this daily chart. And the price line is moving at the 200 simple moving average support at this time. Previously we have already seen that the price action broke down all these moving averages, and it was moving just around this 200 simple moving average. Now finally the 25 simple moving average has crossed down the candlesticks, providing good support to the price line, and this 200 simple moving average is also providing the support at this time. But this is a bit critical thing, that the 50 simple moving average is likely to form a death cross with the 200 simple moving average. That is really very powerful bearish signal or sell signal. But you can see that the price line is still moving up. We are not watching as that much bearish move that should be happen here during this death cross. I'll tell you why it is happening here. If I'll show you this weekly chart, then here we can see that we have the golden cross or bull cross between the 25 and 100 simple moving average. So this is a bigger time period chart. Therefore, we are expecting the bullish move from here because the smaller time period moving average is crossing up the bigger time period moving average. But on the daily chart, this smaller time period, the 50 simple moving average, is crossing up the 200 simple moving average, crossing down. So this is the sell signal, but we have the more powerful buying signal on this weekly long-term chart. Therefore, the price action is ignoring this sell signal and it is following this buying signal. And we are also having a good support of 50 simple moving average and the support of this rising wedge pattern as well. Therefore, now we can see that this buying and bullish candlestick is also can be seen on this long-term weekly chart after a long time period. For example, we had this is the Heikin-Ashi candlestick pattern, and we have a sequence of red candlesticks from August 2020, and now this is the first candlestick that is appeared as a bullish candle. Now I would like to show you one more thing, that if I place the MACD indicator on this chart, then we can see that the MACD is turning bearish, from strong bearish to weak bearish. So this is another bullish signal. But if I'll place this stochastic indicator, basically this is the oscillator, then it has already entered in the oversold zone. But we should wait for the bullish signal, the bull cross between these two lines, the moving averages of this stochastic indicator. For example, when this blue line crossed up this red line here, or brown line here, then we can see that the price action turned very strong bullish and moved up to the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. Therefore, once we will receive this bull cross between these two moving averages and this MACD indicator will be still bullish, so that will be a confirmation that the price line will be moved up to this resistance very soon. So I'm just waiting for this bullish signal. After that, a bullish move up to the resistance of the channel, at least up to the resistance, will be confirmed. And we have the resistance of the channel almost at 11.5 or 6 cents. And on the daily chart, we have already seen that we have the price level, resistance level at 11.5 cents. So I'm expecting a move up to 11.5 cents. That is also the resistance of this rising wedge pattern as well. So this was the update so far. If there will be more updates, I'll definitely share with you. I hope that you'll like the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.